1.
Yes.
And tomorrow you're making an announcement on whether phase 2 will occur or not. What are the decisions and criteria you're going to use about whether to go into phase 2?
Well, David, we have been very methodical, and I think so far our experience with the spread of the virus is suggesting that we're doing it the right way. Today, for example, we reported 56 new cases. That's among the lowest number that we've had since since mid-March. So that's a very good thing. We've identified our metrics. We have been communicating on almost a daily basis how we're responding to COVID-19. And our residents and businesses have told me in no uncertain terms that they really appreciate how we are approaching this. So we look at several metrics, including a 14-day decline in transmission, which we achieved today, how we are contact tracing and how quickly we can be in touch with a person with a positive case and their contacts. We're also looking at test positivity. So how many people are testing positive over the number of total tests, and we're way below 10%, which is a good thing. And so I think that we're going to approach entering phase 2 in very good shape.
Okay, now 4th of July is coming.
As to when we wouldn't have to have the type of social distancing guidelines that we expect to have through phase 4.
Okay, and what do you think the business community can do a better job of in helping you? The business community in Washington has an interest in helping. I'm sure. Is there anything the business community can do that they're not doing that you would like the business community to do?
Well, I think that in various sectors of the business community can help us amplify this message, is that the response to COVID and the shutdowns related to COVID are bigger than any local government can handle. So really having relief packages that come through the Congress by sector are going to be hugely important. When I think about housing, I'm very concerned. We have been able to do less with our housing dollars than we expected because of the dip. When I think of the rent relief that people are going to need, both tenants and landlords, those are going to be huge numbers, and they are included in the HEROES Act. And that needs to get through Congress. When I think of the commercial tenants and commercial landlords, they're in a similar boat. And some of them are going to come back last, like our large venue tenants. So there needs to be relief there. Higher education, they are going to continue to be, I think, hit, and they're big employers in our city. So we need them to be addressed. I think there's been a lot of attention on hospitals and medical providers, so we want to continue to focus on that as well.
So finally, you are still running the city largely remotely? Are you in your apartment